Hello everyone. Are you wondering what vaxxed means? Let's explore. Vaxxed refers to someone who has been vaccinated, particularly in the context of vaccines that are widely discussed or mandated, such as those for COVID-19. The term has become a common shorthand, especially during the pandemic, to indicate that a person has received their vaccine shots and is therefore considered protected against the virus or other diseases. Vaxxed is often used in social media and casual conversations to quickly convey one's vaccination status, sometimes as a point of pride or responsibility. The term has also been part of broader discussions around public health, personal choice, and community safety. In essence, being vaxxed means you've taken steps to protect yourself and others by getting vaccinated, a status that has taken on significant social and cultural importance in recent years. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.